Okay, so round 2 of the activity, we saw what it was like the first time through. Now we have a new programmer, a new character in the game, and a new maze. So think about what happened the first time, how you might change your commands, and we'll talk about it afterwards. So our new programmer.
Okay, turn right 90 degrees. Turn right 90 degrees again. Turn right 90 degrees again. Okay, take a step forward. Turn right 90 degrees. Take 2 steps forward. Turn right 90 degrees. Take 3 steps forward. Take another step forward, little step. Okay, turn left 90 degrees. Take 2 steps forward. Take 3 steps forward. Turn left 90 degrees. Take 1 step forward. Turn right 90 degrees. Take 2 steps forward. Okay.
All right, nicely done. Okay, so I'm going to approach the perspective of the character in the game or the robot first.
Yeah.
What did you do based differently, or how did you adjust in any way based on what you saw the first game character or robot do?
Not really.
Okay, because what I saw, did anybody else see anything different?
Not that I know of it.
Okay, now maybe that is you participating in the activity. What I saw was more deliberate stepping, more consistent stepping. When the first person walked through, it was more of a natural step. I don't know if you felt like that or if you noticed that, but the first person through just did their natural steps, where it seemed like Jared that time did a deliberate step and tried to be consistent in his distances. At least that's what it seemed like to me. Okay, what else? From the programmer's perspective, after watching the first person go through, how did you adjust your commands?
I was trying to make sure that the steps were, considering most of the steps were the same length, I tried to estimate the best I could so it would run into anything.
Gotcha. And what happened the very first instruction?
I didn't know how bigger steps would be. So at first I was saying 3 steps or 4 steps, and then at the very end I was move 1 forward, move another forward.
Once you got used to what the person was stepping, it was easier to give the instructions.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happened in the very first instruction you gave?
Wrong way, so
okay.
I did 3 around.
So, but that also highlights something, that you had him turn to the right instead of to the left. But think about it a different way. What if the robot was oriented differently? Instead of facing the maze, what if the robot or the game character was facing away from the maze? You'd have to compensate by repositioning or reorienting the game character before they could go through the maze. So it's just something to think about. Okay, nicely done, everyone.